What's gotten into you, soldier? Thought you came for a fight.
My sister.
Your sister?
She's a lessee.
What? A pulse lessee?
The fal'Cie has her captive, but I'll find her.
Is she still... Hey, what was her focus? When she became a lessee, what did the fal'Cie order her to do? It wasn't blow up Cocoon or anything like that, was it?
I didn't ask.
Listen to me. When a person gets cursed by a fal'Cie, they become a lessee, and they get given a focus, right? How do I put this? If they don't carry it out, lessee end up as one of those things. What I'm saying is, if your sister's gone that far, I mean, she might still... How can I... Oh, man. There's no way to turn a lessee back into a human. Even if she completes her focus, there's no changing her fate. She'll live her life as a fal'Cie slave. Don't make her suffer.
Just say it! Any lessee, anyone who might ever become a lessee should be wiped off the face of Cocoon. It's people like you that started the Purge in the first place.